If you like Heikin Ashi Candles for smooth trend identification, this HAMA Candles indicator might be just what you need. It combines Heikin Ashi with moving averages, potentially offering a more comprehensive view of the trend. I'll show you exactly how to apply it in your trading, but before let me explain the overall concept. If you'd like to jump straight into the strategy, please use time codes provided. HAMA Candles, short for Heikin Ashi Moving Average Candles, offer a unique visual representation of price action. They combine the smoothing effect of moving averages with the visual clarity of candlestick charts. Heikin Ashi candles are a modified version of traditional candlestick charts, designed to filter out market noise and make trends easier to spot. They use average prices instead of standard open, high, low, and close prices, which creates a smoother appearance compared to standard candlesticks. In Heikin Ashi charts, consecutive candles of the same color often indicate a strong trend. And unlike traditional candlesticks, they typically don't show gaps between candles. In Heikin Ashi charts, green candles with no lower shadow signal a strong uptrend. Red candles with no upper shadow signal a strong downtrend. HAMA builds upon the Heikin Ashi concept by incorporating moving averages, which can provide additional confirmation of trend strength and direction. The result is an indicator that may offer clearer signals and smoother trend identification compared to standard Heikin Ashi candles. Our indicator, called NSDT HAMA Candles by North Star Day Trading, blends the Heikin Ashi concept with moving averages. Despite this combination, you can still view your preferred chart type, whether it's traditional candlesticks or any other style. The NSDT HAMA Candles indicator offers several customizable settings. For the HAMA candles themselves, you can adjust the length for both open and close calculations. If you prefer a more traditional Heikin Ashi look, there's an option to make the wicks visible. The indicator also includes a trend filter in the form of a moving average. You can customize the length of this moving average and choose its type from exponential, simple, or weighted. These flexible settings allow you to fine-tune the indicator to your specific trading style and preferences. Here's a simple and effective way to use this indicator. Keep in mind that these settings are just one option that has worked well, but you should always feel free to adjust them to suit your trading style. Set the open length to 45 and the close length to 40. For the moving average, use an EMA with a 100 period setting. Personally, I find the default candle color scheme potentially misleading, so I prefer to turn it off. For a long position entry, ensure the HAMA candles are above the EMA. Wait for a price pullback where the price crosses the HAMA candles, then enter on a candle close above the HAMA. A more conservative approach would be to wait for a HAMA candle to print below the price candle, though this might result in later trade entries. Choose based on your trading preferences. Exit the trade when a price candle closes below the HAMA, or use your preferred fixed risk-reward method. Consider scaling out of the trade if you notice the HAMA candles getting smaller. Drop a comment if you have questions about specific settings or workflow. If you haven't seen the Quantum Ribbon Pro or the Backtester tutorial, links to them are in the description.